YouTube monetization just got way easier in 2025. Stick around, because this is the full guide for new creators, like me and you. Let's break it down. YouTube just flipped the script. Lower thresholds mean you can monetize faster. Fewer watch hours, fewer subscribers. And yes, it's finally built for new creators looking to grow fast. What's new in 2025? Let's jump straight into it. Here are the new YouTube monetization requirements as of May 19th, 2025. Here's what's new in 2025. Just 500 subscribers? Easy. 3 uploads in 90 days. You got this. 3,000 watch hours in a year? Doable. And if you're into shorts, 3 million views in 90 days is all it takes now. This means you can start making money on YouTube way sooner than ever before. Why this update matters? This update matters because it opens the door for small creators to finally compete. No more waiting years to see income. Your creative hustle just got a real reward system. Want to start a channel today? Pick your niche, something you love or something that pays. Choose your video type, faceless, listicle, how to, whatever works for you. Stay consistent. 3 videos in 90 days is your first goal. Promote everywhere, Shorts, Reddit, Facebook groups. Track what's working with YouTube Studio and improve as you go. Here are some bonus tips for fast growth. Thumbnails and titles. Make them pop. Respond to comments. Build your community. Use tools like TubeBuddy, ChatGPT, or Answer the Public to research viral ideas. Post when your audience is active. And don't forget to repurpose your videos into shorts and use it on other platforms as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, feel free to hit like. Subscribe if you're into this kind of content, and tap the bell notification bell if you'd love to stay in the loop. There's always something new coming, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.